Show pet in chat Snapchat. So how to do it? So here you have Snapchat app, and then if you tap on your Snapchat, you need to have Snapchat Plus subscription. So you need to be a paid subscriber for Snapchat, and then basically here you can say like, hey, I want to show pet in chat, make your pet visible wherever you are. And then, I think before that you still need to customize your pet. So you need to select whichever pet you have. You can also choose your own pet, like select a photo of your pet and then create an AI image of your pet. And then, then just enable this feature to show pet in chat specifically. Yeah, so that's kind of a new feature. It's just appeared here in a Snapchat Plus. So now you should be able to have fun with it. It's only available for paid subscribers for Snapchat. So that's just what it is. That's how you can enable it and have fun with it.